A primetime news follow-up now on the government's plans to stop making some of the coins now in circulation. The information minister listed the coins at a Jamaica House press briefing yesterday. TVJ's business editor DASHAN Hendricks reports.
The announcement came amid a raft of decisions from the government.
Cabinet also approved a proposal to withdraw and demonetize the 1 cent, 10 cent, and 25-cent coins.
If that's the plan, I don't see where they're going wrong.
Whether that things are now in motion for those coins, colloquially called red money, to be done away with early next year. Judith Johnson is the store manager of Sampar's supermarket in Crossroads, St. Andrew. She says her support for the discontinuation of making the so-called red money in Jamaica is based on seeing customers outright refusing to take them. Customers like this man. I just saw you giving back the cashier the red money when you got it as change. Why?
Because I believe it's not any use to me. When I take them from the cashier and I carry them to other places, nobody wants to take them. So I don't really bother with them.
But he's not alone. We could find no one supporting continued circulation of the coins.
The red money, it is not necessary at all. When you go to the supermarket with it, I don't know. I don't use it at all, so I don't know other person's feed, but I don't think it's necessary because I don't use it.
So when you get change with the red money, what do you do with it?
I leave it same place.
It's a good idea because them only are got to waste because most people now use them. And when we get them at the supermarket most of the time also, I dash away, I waste some money, so discontinue them.
It don't make no sense. That don't make no sense with the little red money. $1,000 and $5,000 and them have and $1,000 and so. Where are doing little red money? That's for dash way.
Donnette Carter, a cashier at Sampar's Crossroad, says how customers treat the coins shows they should have been discontinued long ago.
Some take it and throw it on the ground. Yes, sometimes you go in the corridor, you see the red money on the ground. Yes, and outside the seat, they take it from you and throw it away.
Still, she says others find use for the coins.
Some people say, give it to me because I pay my light bill and my water rate to it.
It's in retail outlets like this supermarket where the red money is given to customers as change. So what will happen to prices on the shelves when the Bank of Jamaica withdraws the red money from the market?
Well, we'll have to just look at it. It's either we have to up the price by running off to the nearest dollar or drop it to the nearest dollar.
It's still left to be seen how those decisions will affect customers. DASHAN Hendricks, TVJ News.